How to make a WeTransfer link. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your WeTransfer link. So first thing, it's a pretty simple method. Just head over to any of a browser and just search in for WeTransfer, and once you search in for that, just click on the first link, or you can just click on this transfer button. So once you click on it, it will show you this interface where you can directly add your files to create its link. So as you can see, I'm just opening some random files. You can select any type of files, whether it's PNG, JPG, or zip, or MP4, even MP4. So once you do that, just click on this three dot icon over here, and you can select the second option, that is create link, and just click on get a link. And as you can see, it's asking me for an email, so let me just add my email over here. So as you can see, I've added my email as well. So I will now click on get a link, and it should take some verification. So to my provided Gmail account, so let me just add it. So once you fill up your code, just click on verify and send. And then you should see this option of finalizing, and just like that, you can simply copy this link and send it to any person you like. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.